Hi guys, I am Manjula. Welcome to my channel Employment News. In today's video, we are going to see two notices released by SSC, that is Staff Selection Commission. First one is Junior Engineer for the Department Civil, Mechanical, Electrical and Quantity Surveying and Contracts. And the second one is Stenographer Grade C and D. Guys, before moving into the video, please do subscribe, share and like this video. For the post of Junior Engineer in the department as mentioned, Civil, Mechanical, Electrical and Quantity Surveying and Contracts, the online application has been started from 1st of October and it will end on 30th October. Last date and time for receipt of application is 30/10/2020 till 11:30, and last date and time for making online fee payment is 1/11/2020, that is 1st of November. So last date for payment through challan during working hours of bank, that is 5th of November. 5th November will be the last date to submit the challan. Date of computer based examination for paper 1 is 22/3/2021, that is March 22nd of 2021 to 25th of March 2021. So date of paper 2 will be notified very shortly. So these are the posts. You can go through and apply for your relevant jobs, and vacancies will be mentioned on the commission, that is SSC website. So that website link I'll be sharing it in the description box. Yes, here for this post SSC has mentioned clearly for both the posts only male candidates are eligible for the post of Junior Engineer in the Border Roads Organization. Yes, coming to the syllabus, exam pattern. So here paper 1 will be General Intelligence and Reasoning. So those topics will include all of these. You can go through this in the PDF. And one more thing is, in part 1 itself we have general awareness. So general awareness, these questions will be such that they do not require a special study of any discipline. So the meaning for this is general awareness which you have learnt in your school level, that is history, culture, geography, economics, general politics and scientific researches. Yes, so in first part, the third bit is about the streams, that is the department. For civil engineer, that is part A, consists of civil engineer questions. The topics are building material, estimating, costing and valuation, surveying, soil mechanics, hydraulics, irrigation engineering and so on. And part B is electrical engineering. So these are the topics, and part C is mechanical engineering. This is about all part 1 and part 2. Part 2 paper consists of, again, part A is civil, and part civil consists of many topics here. So you all can go through. These are the topics. I'll be sharing the PDF of this notification in the description box. So guys, any questions or any topics to be done through the videos, please comment below so that I can make videos related to electrical topics. Coming to the part B, electrical engineer, these are the topics, and part C is mechanical engineering. So these are the topics. Yes, coming to the fee structure, it is ₹100 and mode of selection. So for unreserved category it is 30% the qualifying marks. OBC and EWS it is 25% the qualifying marks, and others it is 20%. And based on the normalized marks scored in paper 1, that is computer based examination, candidates will be shortlisted category wise to appear in paper 2. And based on the performance in paper 1 plus paper 2, candidates will be shortlisted for document verification. Yes, now we'll discuss about the stenographer, that is grade D and C. Here vacancies will be determined in due course. You can see on the website of SSC. Similarly, moving on to the fee structure is ₹100, same as junior engineer, and the topics, so you all can see here scheme of examination. Date of exam will be 29th till 31st of March 2021. The part 1 is general intelligence and reasoning, part 2 is general awareness, and part 3 English language and comprehension. So part 1 consists of 50 questions and 50 marks. Part 2 same 50 questions 50 marks, and part 3 100 questions and 100 marks. The total duration for this exam is 2 hours and plus 40 minutes for the candidates eligible for scribe as para 7A and 7B above. Guys, in stenographer we have one more test, that is skill test, once they are qualified in the computer based examination. So the skill test is nothing but candidates will be given one dictation for 10 minutes in English or Hindi as opted by the candidates in the online application form at the speed of 100 words per minute for the post of stenographer grade C and 80 words per minute for the post of stenographer grade D. The matter will have to be transcribed on computer. The transcription time is as follows. For stenographer grade D English, time duration is 50 minutes and time duration for the candidates eligible for scribe is 70 minutes, and stenographer grade D in Hindi it is 65 minutes, and for scribe candidates it is 90 minutes. Stenographer grade C for English language it is 40 minutes. For scribe candidates it is 55, and similarly stenographer grade C for Hindi language is 55 minutes, and for scribe candidates it is 75 minutes. Yes, this is all about the stenographer and the junior engineer recruitment. So please apply for the relevant post, and also if the video is useful, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.